In 2026, people are quietly making $5,000 per month using AI. Not coders. Not tech geniuses. Just normal people who learned how to use artificial intelligence correctly. And today, I'm breaking down 5 AI side hustles that are actually working right now. No fake guru hype. No rented Lamborghinis. Just real strategies you can start this week. And number 4, that one has the highest income ceiling. Let's forge some income. Creators are drowning in content. YouTubers, podcasters, coaches. They post one long video, but they don't turn it into shorts. They don't turn it into TikToks. They don't turn it into Instagram clips. That's where you come in. Using AI tools, you can extract highlights, generate captions, write viral hooks, and auto-format for vertical platforms. You can find clients on Fiverr or Upwork. Charge $300 to $800 per client per month. 5 clients at $600 each. That's $3,000 per month. AI can now generate professional designs in seconds. T-shirts, mugs, wall art, phone cases. You upload them to a Shopify store. You don't hold inventory. You don't ship anything. When someone buys, the supplier prints and ships. If you sell 20 shirts a day at $10 profit, that's $200 per day. $6,000 per month. It takes testing. But AI speeds up design and research massively. Faceless AI YouTube channels are exploding right now. You're literally watching one. People are building entire income streams without showing their face. No camera. No studio. No expensive equipment. You use AI to research topics. AI to write scripts. AI to generate voiceovers. And simple editing apps to assemble everything. You monetize with ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, and sometimes sponsorships. Even small channels in high CPM niches like finance, business, and AI tools can earn $1,000 to $5,000 per month. The key is not luck. It's consistency and retention. If viewers stay on your videos, YouTube pushes them harder. And that's where strategy matters. This is where real money is hiding. Local businesses are behind when it comes to AI. Restaurants, dentists, gyms, real estate agents. Most of them still rely on manual booking, slow replies, and missed leads. They need automated appointment scheduling, AI chatbots that respond instantly, lead capture forms, automated email follow-up systems. And most business owners don't even know this is possible yet. That's your opportunity. You learn how to set up simple automation systems. You approach local businesses. You show them how automation increases their bookings, and you charge for setup. $1,000, sometimes $2,000, plus monthly maintenance fees. Just 2 clients per month at $1,500 each. That's $3,000 immediately. This is high ticket, low competition, and extremely scalable. AI makes creating digital products easier than ever before. You can create ebooks, prompt packs, Notion templates, mini online courses, even paid guides teaching people how to use AI tools. You create the product once, and you sell it over and over again. No inventory, no shipping, no customer calls, just digital delivery. You can sell through platforms like Gumroad, or even your own simple website. If you price a product at $29, and you make just 10 sales per day, that's $290 daily. Over $8,000 per month. And the best part, your profit margins are extremely high. This is one of the most scalable side hustles available right now. Now let's be honest. None of these are push-button, get-rich-tomorrow strategies. They require effort, learning, testing, and consistency. But here's the difference. Before AI, building something like this would take months of trial and error. Now, AI reduces your workload dramatically. It helps you write faster, design faster, research faster, automate faster. The people who win in 2026 won't be the smartest. They'll be the fastest to adapt. And the ones who take action instead of just watching videos. So how do you actually start? Step 1. Pick one model. Not all 5, just one. Trying to do everything at once is how most people fail. Step 2. Spend 1 week learning the basics. Watch tutorials, test tools, understand how the system works. Step 3. Take imperfect action. Launch the store. Send the proposal. Upload the video. Reach out to businesses. You will not feel ready. That's normal. Execution beats perfection every single time. And once you get your first small win, everything becomes easier. Momentum is powerful, and AI rewards speed. Why is this such a big opportunity right now? Because we're in the early phase of AI adoption. Most people are still confused. Most businesses are still behind. Most creators are still not optimizing properly. That gap creates opportunity. Every major technology shift created new millionaires. The internet, social media, mobile apps. Now it's AI. The window is open, but it won't stay open forever. As tools become easier, competition increases. The people who move early build leverage, and leverage builds income. This isn't about hype. It's about timing. And right now, the timing is powerful. AI isn't replacing you. It's replacing people who refuse to use it. You have two choices. Watch this technology change the world. Or use it to change your income. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be rich. You just need to start. One skill. One system. One decision. This is AI Money Forge, forging wealth with AI. If you're serious about building income in the AI era, subscribe. Because we're just getting started.